Welcome to TechRadar Pro. In this video, we will be exploring the growing problem of bot malware, a type of automated malicious code that steals entire user profiles from target endpoints and bypasses multi-factor authentication. Data from NordVPN's research shows that around 5 million people have had their data stolen by bot malware since 2018, including 26.6 million usernames and passwords, with almost 1 million Google credentials and over a million Microsoft and Facebook logins combined. Having access to these user profiles allows hackers to bypass MFA or multi-factor authentication and complete identity authentication, even with a hacked password. Unfortunately, the barrier for entry for these attacks is quite low, making them easy to carry out even for the most unskilled of hackers. These criminals can use the stolen digital identity for a variety of nefarious purposes. It could be to steal someone's Facebook account and ask for money, to deliver malware, or even to promote dangerous and fake narratives. It could also be used to target businesses with phishing emails. The worst part is that you don't even have to effort to deliver the bot malware. The data can simply be purchased on the dark web at a low cost, with an average of around $6 per dataset. To protect yourself from falling prey to a bot malware attack, use an antivirus monitoring your device at all times. Other measures that can help include using a password manager and file encryption tools to ensure there's very little to steal. There you have it, the problem of bot malware, its widespread implications, and how to protect yourself from it. Tune in next time for more TechRadar Pro videos.